how to transfer money from American Express to bank account. Google search for login American Express and click on this first website that pops up. You will need to put your user ID as well as password here and make sure that you choose the correct account type. After you have filled out this information, simply log into your account. Once you have logged in, it's going to look a little something like this, and you just want to click on make a transfer at the top. You will need to choose the account which we will be transferring from and the account which we will need to transfer to, as well as set the amount in this field and the date if it's gonna be on a different date. Otherwise, it's gonna be set automatically to the current date. After you fill out this information and click on continue, it is just going to ask you to review and confirm the transfer. So here you will be able to see the recipient, the amount, the frequency of the transaction, as well as the transfer date. Just make sure that all of this information is correct. And once you click on submit, it is going to show you that you've submitted your withdrawal. You can see your confirmation number here, the transfer date, and when it's going to be available. Usually it should be 3 business days. And here you can just click on go to account home to continue on with the American Express website. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.